Hello everyone. In this video lesson, I will give the explanation about the poem The Lotus, okay, written by Torudat. So first of all, I will read the questions of poem. First one, and Flora gave the lotus, rose red dyed, and lily white, the queenless flower that blows. Second question, the lily and the rose long had been rivals for that high honor, birds of power. Third one, give me a flower, delicious as the rose, and stately as the lily in her pride. Fourth one, but is the lily lovelier? Thus between flower factions rank the strip in Psyche Boer. So bats of power, Psyche's Boer, so died, pride. So these are the rhythmic words. Okay, now I will give the introduction or reference about the poem. So the above lines are taken from the poem The Lotus, written by Toru Dattu. Toru Dattu is a female writer. So our poet. Our poet was a Bengali translator and poet. The poem deals with the origin of the lotus, the most beautiful flower on the earth. Okay, this is our introduction about the Toru Dattu. So now you give the more sentence about the Torudat. So Torudat, the lotus extracted from the poem anthology, collection of poems, ancient ballads and legends of Hindustan. So actually it is a patriarchate sonnet. So the writer presents the lotus as the most beautiful flower on the earth. Context. Flora is given the task of developing a flower that is as delicious as the rose and as stately as the lily in her pride. Flora creates a flower that is both red and white, a rose and a lily, the lotus. So actually, context, how do you write? So you write here like this. It is a dialogue between love and the goddess of flowers. So here, conflict between the rose and the lily. If the position of the which one is queen of all flowers. So the poem is read as a conflict between the different ideals of beauty. In particular, the European, Asian, and Indian ones. So meaning. So meaning goes to for a long time the lily and the rose had been rivals for both claimed the crown of the queen of all the flowers, particularly for this cause. So poets have sang about the delicious rose and the stately lily. One half of the flower community believes that the rose will never be able to tower as high as the lily. So while the others emerge stating the lily cannot as delicious as the rose appears. All the flowers took sides. The harmony among the flowers had been shattered. Finally, Love made a decision and asked Flora to give to him a flower that was delicious as a rose and as stately as a lily. Flora gave birth to a lotus that was a mix of crimson and white. Since that time, the lotus has been regarded as the most beautiful of all flowers. So, lily plus red. So, mixing with give the origin of the lotus. So, this is our poem. Thank you. Thank you for watching. It is useful to 5 marks.